Hi everyone. In this video, we will share 5 plants that are pretty, yet edible. These traits make them perfect for a front yard garden or an edible landscape. First plant on our list is Taro, commonly known as elephant ears. We currently have it growing in these containers placed at our front door. The underground root bulbs, stems, and young leaves are edible once cooked properly. Also, we got our taro from Asian store, so we are 100% sure this is the edible variety. A note of caution. It is not necessary that the varieties sold in gardening center of big box stores are edible. So next time, if you want to grow elephant ears and eat them too, source the bulbs from a nearby Asian market. Next on our list is one of our favorite. Can you guess what this beautiful grass is? This is garlic, and we have been growing it for 3 years in our front yard. The key to make it look pretty is to plant them in groups. When they are together, they look very elegant and provide a very nice backdrop for other plants to get highlighted. For example, our garlic plants give a nice backdrop for our spring flowers. Speaking of backdrops, here is the third plant on this list. While I describe it, take a guess at what it is and comment what you think it is. This plant grows tall enough to serve as perfect backdrop for any garden. The leaves are like fern and super soft. You would harvest it during spring and then let it grow into this beautiful fern during summer and fall. Also, it is perennial. Have you guessed it yet? It is asparagus. We are growing it in next to our garage wall in our front yard. Our asparagus are popping to the front, but if I put them behind this pear tree, they provide such beautiful backdrop to the espalier structure of this tree. Next on our list is blueberries. The plant is so beautiful, especially because of the shiny yet simple leaves. The best part is, these leaves turn into various shades of red and orange during fall. We have paired our blueberry plants with lavender plants, and together these two make a contrasting yet interesting texture. And did I mention the berries? Consider them as added bonus from these beautiful plants. Last on our list today is the humble rhubarb. We find this plant to be stunningly beautiful. It is perfect for shady spots in the garden. It can serve as a beautiful ground cover, and if paired with some hosta on its side, these two can make a striking attraction point in any garden. We are growing ours right next to our front door. That is all we have for this video. See you all in our next video.